Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting. This is that one video जो मैं बहुत अरसे से करना चाह रही थी, but I was like so broke to even purchase these items and I was like इस महीना बस करना ही करना है, मुझे आप लोगों को दिखाना है because मुझे खुद भी try out करना है. So basically today I'm going to be showing you the most full coverage foundation that I have ever tried. मैंने बहुत foundations try किए हैं, Maybelline, L'Oreal, Essence, Makeup Revolution, काफ़ी drug stores try किए मैंने. सबकी range 1500 से 3000 के बीच में पड़ती है. But I never tried a foundation under 400 rupees. So let's kill the suspense and show you the product that I'm talking about. Today's hot topic is this little baby right here. This is the Miss Rose foundation and it's the purely natural foundation and ये matte वाला नहीं है. I purchased this from Daraz की 12-12 वाली sale. They had this foundation for about 296 rupees. I think normally Instagram पे 400 से 450 के बीच में होता है जहाँ तक मैंने देखा है, but sale में was like too good. That's still very affordable and I still save 100, so not a bad deal. Basically I haven't really tried it, like पूरे दिन के लिए मैंने इसको wear नहीं किया है, but basically what I did, the moment I got this, मैंने इसका ये spatula यहाँ से खोला और मैंने इसे थोड़ा सा apply करके देखा to just check the shade in case अगर shade गलत आ गया तो I'll like exchange it. बट शेड तो गलत था ही और वो लोग एक्सचेंज करने को तैयार भी नहीं थे, पता नहीं कौन सा दराज का रिटेलर था. बट खैर उसके अलावा जो है सीन्स कुछ ऐसे हैं कि तो सीन ये है बेसिकली कि मैंने इसको सिर्फ एक पैच पे ट्राई किया एंड इट वाज सो फुल कवरेज कि आई वाज लाइक यार वेयर डिड माय एक्ने जस्ट गो अवे. इट वाज माइंड ब्लोइंग. सो let's end the bakwas and let's try this on my whole face. So without any further ado, let's get into the actual video. So I've already prepped my face, my moisturizer primer लगा चुकी हूँ and now I'm going to skip down to the process of applying the foundation. तो इस side पे I'm going to be using my foundation brush and इस side पे I'm going to be using the beauty blender to see के coverage कितनी है दोनों से और क्या फ़र्क है. So overall the packaging is really nice. Glass bottle है, थोड़ा fancy सा है, doesn't look really like cheap quality का so far and इसका ये golden seal is like giving me life. It's so cool. It's really nice and कोई ख़तरनाक किस्म के प्रोडक्ट्स भी नहीं लिखे हुए पीछे. बस ये है कि जब मैंने मंगवाया तो उसके यहाँ शेड लिखा होना चाहिए था बट नहीं लिखा था. आई ऑर्डर्ड बेज 1 बट जो शेड आया वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेयर है.
$2,000 years later.
ये देखें, आवाज़ तो आ रही है किसी किस्म की. There it is. Yo. Okay, but ये रुक के क्यों आ रहा है? It's supposed to be. It's going to take plenty of it. चल इतना लेके देखते हैं how long it goes. So I'm just going to mix this up. और मैं इसको अपने पूरे फेस पे डॉट करने वाली हूँ. You can see it's very fair. I feel like it's very fair for me. Can you guys see? My acne has like disappeared and this is like मैंने इसको अभी तक फुल फेस पे ट्राई नहीं किया था and it is so nice. Oh my god. I just feel like ये foundation बहुत ज़्यादा dry out कर रहा है for some reason. Although मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा moisturizer लगाया है, but oh my god, look at that finish. Like I mean, this is my skin with acne and then coverage तो no doubt इस foundation की बहुत ज़्यादा solid है. You can tell that मतलब this and then this is like really good coverage. But अगर मैं आपको close up में दिखाऊँ तो it's very patchy with the brush. मैंने जैसे brush से blend out किया है. You can see like it's like very patchy और it looks like face paint for some reason, and it's very tacky as well. It's not coming off exactly. And now we're just gonna go on the other side and go in with a beauty blender. So my overall review is that when I was blending out the foundation on this side using a beauty blender, तो बहुत easily blend हो गया था as compared to this side where I used a brush. Brush से ये हो रहा था कि बहुत ज़्यादा patchy हो रहा था and it was very streaky and it was very hard to blend. To be very honest, मुझे काफ़ी टाइम लगा इसको blend out करने के लिए. लेकिन coverage brush से ज़्यादा मिली है और इससे इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं मिली. यहाँ पर I can still see some of the marks. If you can see, you can probably tell. But इस side पे it's like solid opaque, and the foundation is tacky. Like when you touch it, chipak raha hai. So you definitely need to set it out with a powder, or try not go setting your face just with the setting spray because it's going to be very chippy. So I'm going to finish off my whole face. I'm going to put in some bronzer and do the rest of my makeup and be right back. So my overall review about this foundation, price point के हिसाब से the coverage is remarkable. I mean a foundation जो आपको 300 रुपए से के अंदर या चलो 400-500 रुपए का भी मिल रहा है उसकी ऐसी coverage, so it's very hard to find and it's too good to be true. Or price point के हिसाब से it's amazing. But overall, for like a daily basis, I wouldn't really wear this foundation on a daily basis क्योंकि it's very patchy and अभी तो winters है तो I think चल जाएगा. But summers में I don't think that I would like wearing this foundation. On the sides of pros, it's very affordable. The packaging looks great and it has a very high coverage for it's too good for its price. But on the con side, I guess के disadvantages देखे जाएं तो it's very tacky. It doesn't blend out easily. It gets patchy when you put powder. If you can see here, it's really patchy on my forehead, and I don't think that it would be really long wearing. So that's it for my review about this foundation. And since I have acne prone skin, तो मैं बहुत सोच समझ के foundations ऐसे use करती हूँ जो मेरी skin को मज़ीद जो है irritate ना करें. And I use very acne friendly foundations. So I don't think I would wear this on a regular basis because it's very heavy on my skin and I don't feel like my skin is at all breathable with this foundation. मुझे feel हो रहा है कि मेरे face पे कुछ बहुत heavy है. So I don't think that I would recommend wearing this on a daily basis, but it's like personal preference. This is my honest review about this foundation, and yeah. That is it for my video, and that is it for my review about the Miss Rose Pearly Natural Foundation. If you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what do you think about this video. And if you have reviewed the Miss Rose product for yourself, don't forget to drop down your reviews ताकि मुझे भी पता चले what your review about the product is. And दूसरे जो देख रहे हैं ये video and they read through the comments, उनको भी थोड़ी help मिले with your commenting. So don't forget to do that. And the links to all my social media is down in the description bar, so don't forget to check that out. If you guys want to specifically check out my Instagram, the link is going to be right here. And that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video, inshallah. And till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.